channel, and today we're going to do a review on these new slimes that we made today. And I'm Dylan.
I'm Chloe.
And
we haven't made a video in a long time, so today we're going to finally do it. It's a big time because we made slimes today. They glow in
the dark Elmer's edition. So let's get started. And before we get started, make sure to subscribe. So let's go. First, we're going to do Chloe's.
No, yours.
Actually, yeah, mine.
I need to take out mine. Might be a little hard.
Ooh, there's like a bandage in here. That's okay.
Okay. Give your slime thing.
See, it's so stretchy because I added a little bit. And comment down below. I mean, you guys.
And it says it's still a little sticky, so he needs to add a little more activator.
But we don't have any. Chloe's.
But we don't have any, and we're so grateful and respect for our stuff.
And my slime's so clicky, and it makes good. It makes good bubbles. Oh, not really, but yeah. Chloe's is kind of the same, except.
Hey, they can't see your slime.
And you guys, our slimes. These are fluffy slimes.
Yeah, girl.
Oh, cool.
Okay, hold it from me. I'm gonna show my slime now.
Okay.
So this is my slime. Watch it click.
And they're scented because they're scented. And we're gonna show you guys the glow in the dark. Okay. So come on, let's go.
Wait, hold on. Hear the story.
Yeah.
Don't let me have this right there.
Now we're gonna go show our slimes in the bathroom while they glow in the dark.
Yeah, so get your bag. Not your bag, your slime.
Let me get this one off my hand.
Let me get that out.
Yeah, guys. I'm gonna go upstairs.
Wait for me, Dylan. Climb up the chair. And go jump over black flip.
Sorry, guys.
Yeah. Back flip.
He's coming.
Okay.
And here are glow in the dark slime.
I can't even see it.
No. Put up the camera somewhere. See, guys?
We can't really see. Oh, you can see. You can see.
See, here's mine, you guys. And comment down below who you thinks glows better. Thank you, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Wait, now let's do some cool tricks with our slime first.
Oh yeah. Sorry, guys.
Yeah, but if you come over our house, it will be way better. You can see way better.
It's more darker in here because there's no windows. See, guys? Here's mine.
It's a fancy. Look, this is so cool.
Don't let it because there's carpet. See, guys?
See
mine? You guys want to see mine? Look at mine. Look at mine. See, it's glow. You just can't. Okay, thanks, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye. And subscribe and comment down below.